Whether you're looking for something to serve for a weeknight dinner or for a special Sunday supper, the pork roast we're whipping up today fits the bill. Think of it as that little black dress that goes with everything. Here we have a center cut pork loin. You want to make sure that when you cook it, you keep the fat side up. This way, while it's roasting, the fat will melt and flavor the meat. To help our glaze penetrate the roast, we cut a crisscross pattern like this and season it with salt and pepper. Now, we pat the roast with a mixture we made by combining some oil with minced garlic and brown sugar. Before popping this in the oven, we surround it with some carrots and Brussels sprouts that we've cut up and tossed with a bit of seasoned oil. Once the pork reaches an internal temperature of 145 degrees, we take it out and let it rest while the veggies finish cooking. There you have it, an all-in-one meal that fits any occasion, anytime. You'll love the super juicy pork, the flavor-packed glaze, and all those perfectly cooked veggies. To get this one-size-fits-all recipe for our brown sugar-glazed pork roast, simply visit our website. I'm Howard in the Mr. Food Test Kitchen, where today we found a simple and special way for you to say, "Ooh, it's so good."